In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the measurement units from inches to centimeters in Microsoft Word. This is especially useful if you prefer working with the metric system, or if you're collaborating on a document with someone who uses centimeters instead of inches. The steps are quick and simple, and they work in Word and newer versions. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the File tab at the top left corner of the window. Clicking File will open a menu where you can access Word's settings and options. From this menu, scroll down and select Options. This opens the Word Options dialog box where you can customize various settings for your documents. Next, in the Word Options dialog box, click on Advanced from the list on the left. This will show a long list of advanced settings for Word, including display, editing, and printing options. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Display. In the Display section, look for the option that says Show Measurements in Units of. By default, Word usually uses inches, but you can change it to other units like centimeters, millimeters, points, or picas. Click the drop-down menu and select Centimeters. After selecting centimeters, click OK to save your changes and close the Word Options dialog box. Now, whenever you check margins, indents, or tab stops, the measurements will appear in centimeters instead of inches. This setting affects the entire Word application, so every new document you create will use centimeters as the default measurement. You don't need to change it for each document individually, which saves time and ensures consistency across your work. Changing measurement units is particularly helpful for academic papers, professional reports, or any project where precision is important. It also makes it easier to follow instructions that use the metric system, such as printing settings or page layout guidelines. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully switched from inches to centimeters in Microsoft Word. Now you can work comfortably with the measurement system you prefer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.